This video explains how to buy shares of Tsakos Energy Navigation Limited, a shipping company operating a fleet of tanker vessels listed on NASDAQ under the ticker TEN, US. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a regulated broker. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker TEN, US to locate the stock. Choose the result that clearly matches Tsakos Energy Navigation Limited on NASDAQ. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the correct listing. Verify the company name, the TEN, US ticker, and the NASDAQ exchange before proceeding. To place an order, click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading resumes, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. After the trade, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. A link to eToro is available in the description for reference.